Come along, leader. We need to start building. We should start making houses. Look, the people have remembered all about altars. Altars are where you can focus your godly miracles. Let's build one as soon as possible.
Disciple builder.
We need more wood!
When the Greeks are exterminated, the Aztecs will rule this world.
Disciple breeder. Disciple forester.
If you want your town to grow quickly, it'll need lots of food. Our creature can help with this by gathering crops. All you have to do is assign him the role of gatherer near a field. To assign the creature a role, open the Creature Roles interface. Select the green Gatherer Role button. This changes the creature's role and puts the leash in your hand.
Let them build! We will just have more to destroy!
Well done, leader. You have built an altar. Select the green Gather a Roll button. Excellent. Now just double-click the action button where you want the creature to perform the roll. See the radius around the flag? The creature will gather resources from within that. He'll always carry out rolls inside the radius. He'll then put them in your storehouse. At the moment, your creature isn't a very good collector. He's not gathering much grain each time. This is because he's a level 1 gatherer. You can improve his performance in rolls by spending tribute. That way, he'll get much more efficient. Clever, eh? Altars work on a power called mana. You can generate mana by creating worshippers. Go on, create a worshipper. Show us you can do it. Your creature can also be a warrior, a builder, or an entertainer to keep the people amused. Builder creatures help with the construction of anything in the town.
And being a warrior will make him serve as an army unit. Our creature is still small, and he's not a skilled warrior. You can use tribute to upgrade his warrior role, and he'll get way more lethal.
Yes. Or you can simply leave him in free will mode. He'll do whatever he wants and whatever you've taught him.
The last thing you need to know about roles is that they affect your creature's free will.
Yes, the longer he remains in a role, the less free will he'll have. Leave him in a role for too long and he'll become more like a machine than a pet.
Using him in roles for a while is fine. And you can see how much free will he has by looking at this bar on the creature interface.
To remove your creature from a role, click on the Free Will button.
Now, why not play around with roles and stuff, boss? See if you can get a bigger town out of it. And remember, if you get attacked, make him a warrior.
Well done, oh astonishing one. You built a wall, and we're protected against the Norse. If you need a reminder of what your objectives are, go to the Objectives part of the menu.
I must find out what they are doing.
Now that we have a worshipper, the altar will generate mana. Of course, more worshippers mean more mana.
Remember, miracles cost mana, and you need worshippers to generate mana. Simple. And get this, you can drop people straight into the altar to create mana too. You won't ever see him again, though.
Oh yes, you can also use your tribute to buy miracles. Miracles are a very powerful force, which can be used for good or for
senseless, mindless, and glorious evil.
This altar already has a water miracle. Try it on that field over there. Grab the miracle and just drop it on the field to water it.
Watering? I was hoping for something more, well, fiery. Still, give it a try, boss.
They are advanced builders. Our people must be faithful and strong of heart. These crafty Greeks are building walls, and so they should. Send a troop to their city walls. Prepare a force to destroy these Greek troops.
You cast a water miracle. Well done, Great One. Look, those people are migrating. They want to live in our town. They're bringing all their worldly goods. Hooray!
Turn that settlement into a military outpost. Build armies there for defense against these people.
Hey, he's getting pretty jumpy. Something big's gonna happen.
And that's why we need strong defenses.
That's why we need to get building armies too.
Water, water everywhere. How wonderful.
This is an outrage! Take the nearest settlement! We must stop this Greek invasion!
think our friends just wet himself.
I cannot tolerate these Greeks any longer. I will have to act.
We're coming under fire!
How can the Aztecs rule this godless world while the Greeks still exist? I thought these Greeks were a peaceful race. I must watch closely.
The tribe is being attacked.
These Greeks seem to thrive. Their numbers increase, but not for long. These Greeks build impressive cities. They are tempting our people. It must stop! Prepare a force to destroy these Greek troops. They wish to wage war against me? So be it!
To build an army, click and drag the army flag.
The ground will be red with Greek blood. So, the Greeks have recruited a platoon. Let's see how it fares against Norse Iron!
We're getting beat up good.
The Greek warriors are no match for Norsemen. Ha! They can build whatever they like. We will just tear it down.
We're coming under fire.
Why do honest Norsemen leave our settlements for these newcomer Greeks?
people are getting wasted.
What? A Greek army is coming? Get ready, men! War is upon us! We share the hatred for the Greeks that our Aztec masters have.
Disciple builder. Disciple builder.
We're getting beat up good.
The Greek ranks swell. They breed like rabbits. Ha! Men, watch out for ranged attacks. They have archers now.
Disciple builder.
We're getting kicked here, boss.
Disciple breeder. Disciple breeder. Disciple breeder.
Norsemen, call to arms! The Greeks are coming!
Our people are coming under attack.
A big city is no match for the armies of the Norse!
The town is getting destroyed.
The Aztecs want to rule. They need the Greeks destroyed. followers, do not be envious of the Greek town. It is a trick to tempt you. The Greeks must be stamped out before they are too many to count.
Disciple breeder.
They're raining death down upon us.
Disciple builder. Disciple forester. Disciple mine worker.
No, bring me news of Norse victory, not this! Good. War will soon be upon us. I cannot tolerate these Greeks any longer. I will have to act. The pitiful survivors of the Aztec attack will not last long here.
A migration is waiting at our borders for you to accept them.
Disciple breeder. Disciple breeder.
They are a plague! Their city overflows! Wait! Ha! The Greeks want to fight! If the Aztecs are to rule with Norse help, I must stop these persistent Greeks. No! Why do honest Norsemen leave our settlements for these newcomer Greeks? Followers, do not be envious of the Greek town! It is a trick to tempt you! followers, do not be envious of the Greek town. It is a trick to tempt you. My Aztec masters will be pleased when I hand them the severed heads of this Greek army. Where are my best warriors? Get them ready for the onslaught! How could these fools survive the mighty Aztec onslaught? This is Northland. No intruders must be allowed. I will wipe out these Greeks and earn my reward from the Aztecs. to destroy these Greek troops.
A migration is waiting at our borders for you to accept them.
The Greeks will die for their contempt.
There's a group of migrants waiting at our influence ring. We can admit them or decline them.
Disciple breeder.
What a senseless waste of human life.
I have never seen such nobility in a tribe. The Greeks have shown a way other than war. I am inspired by their fairness and their civilization. I shall consider becoming allies with these Greeks. They have culture far beyond that of the Aztecs. And maybe the prophecy is true. A returning god saving a weak tribe. It will be interesting to see how they fare against the strong Japanese and the brutal Aztecs. I wonder if the Greeks will follow the prophecy and go to Honsai, where some of their brethren survive.
Hurrah! Goodness and impressing has won the day. Are you sure you wish to leave the land?
Click again to confirm.
Leader, I've been hearing rumors that some more of our people survived the Aztec volcanoes. Some elite archers managed to fight their way clear after we left.
We need to find them. We need all the elite troops we can get.
We need everyone we can get, archers or not. They're on another land. We must go and find them.
Yeah, archers. What are we waiting for?
This place doesn't look so bad. We should be able to take it over with a little effort.
Great! More warfare! This is what makes my blood tingle!
But if you're impressive, you don't need to win through bloodshed, because you win without having to fight. There doesn't seem to be any opposition. And look, the missing archers.
There are some juicy towns to ransack. I'm gonna like this place. What? What's this? Another portal? Who does that belong to?
The rumors of the Greeks' return are true. My brother has sent me to make this island safe. This I will do.
Oh, sounds like a tribal commander, boss.
We'd better start building now. These Japanese seem to be formidable builders themselves.
And get some armies, boss. They look pretty handy at fighting as well.